Ever wondered how one simple phrase can transform into completely different styles of art? From realistic landscapes to vibrant anime scenes and even surreal dreamscapes, watch how a single prompt can take on a whole new life through different AI models. Get ready to see the magic unfold. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Dreamlike Art to create unique visuals using different AI models, all from a single prompt. Plus, we'll explore the pricing options so you can get started right away. Getting started with Dreamlike Art. First, head over to dreamlike.art and sign up for a free account. It's super quick, and you'll get access to basic features without spending a dime. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard with options like text to image and image to image. Let's focus on the text to image feature today, creating art with text prompts. In the text box, type a simple prompt like, "Create a magical forest with glowing fairies and a friendly monster hiding among the trees." You can get creative here, describe anything you want to see. Dreamlike Art offers various models. Today, we'll explore three popular ones: Dreamlike Photoreal, Dreamlike Anime, and Kandinsky. Each model gives a unique spin to your prompt. Click Generate to see the magic happen. Let's start with the photoreal model. And here it is, a stunning, realistic image of a magical forest with glowing fairies. Now let's switch to the anime model. Notice how the same prompt transforms into a vibrant, stylized anime scene. Finally, let's try the Kandinsky for something more artistic and imaginative. Dreamlike Art also has built-in tools to enhance your images. Click on the Face Fixing button to improve facial details if needed, and use the Upscaling tool to increase resolution for a high-quality finish. Once you're happy with your creation, hit the Download button. You can also share your artwork directly on social media or within the Dreamlike community. Dreamlike Art offers a generous free tier. You get access to all models, but with some limitations like a daily cap on image generations. If you want to unlock more features, the paid plan starts at $16 per month. This includes faster generation times, higher quality outputs, and priority access to new models. Perfect for serious artists or anyone looking to dive deeper. And that's it. Now you know how to create amazing art with Dreamlike, using just your imagination. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more AI art tutorials, and comment below with your favorite prompt ideas. Happy creating!